Property consultant supply property funding recommendation to purchasers after cautious evaluation of market prerequisites and trends. They pick out the most feasible, inexpensive strategy to assist consumers attain their objectives. What is the goal of property consultant? Image and result for property consultant. Objective: property consultant is accountable for identifying, negotiating, and managing industrial actual property transactions consisting of ownership, rent, and improvement sales. This consists of property analysis, negotiation, buy and sale contracts. Property consultant resume samples. A property consultant offers property funding recommendation to consumers after cautiously inspecting the market prerequisites and trends. A well-drafted property consultant resume mentions the following core obligations and duties: figuring out the most feasible and competitively priced strategy to assist consumers attain their objectives, helping consumers to make property purchasing decisions, discovering consumers and want of consultancy offerings through cold calling, advertising, and commercial enterprise presentations, inspecting market developments and emergencies to discover the most sought-after and worthwhile areas, creating techniques to make bigger the cost of homes for purchasers searching to sell, and conducting negotiations with actual property marketers on behalf of clients. Those searching for this job position have to point out on the resume the following capabilities: sound understanding in property administration or real estate, sound know-how of actual property laws, robust negotiation skills, advantageous negotiation skills, and high-quality verbal exchange skills. The excessive college diploma or GED, alongside with a bachelor's diploma in actual property, is preferred. A Kingdom actual property license is as properly needed. Property consultant resume. Objective: seeks to work in a growth-oriented company, the place one can combine competencies and know-how to assist the business enterprise and coworkers be profitable and set up an exciting career. Computer literate, diligent, patient, flexible, and constantly anxious to learn. Have right public members of the family and management qualities. Am inclined to bear coaching and quickly learner. Property consultant resume sample. Description: showed homes to customers, conducted tripping with clients, conducted subject research, attended to patron wants and requirements, answered and spoke back to client inquiries, managed, monitored, and scheduled consumer appointments with the income team, prepared lookup and survey reviews for Pinnacle Income Management. Property consultant resume. Summary: property consultant with 3+ years of experience in partnering with RIS team contributors to produce a calibrated end result which consists of a thorough evaluation of all pertinent records, inclusive of, however no longer confined to, estimates, file notes, photos, reporting conclusions, EQI ratings, and greenback variances. Skills: Microsoft Word, Photoshop, Microsoft PowerPoint, CRM, Salesforce, telephone, appointment scheduling, typing, customer service. Property consultant resume template. Description: interviewed prospect customer buyer, screened prospect patron buyer, invited for site tripping to have and thinking for the project, showed the task map to effortlessly detect the lot area, assisted via sales office to have a listing of computations via the chosen lot, let the consumer find out about the task based totally on their wants and availability, accommodated the client's worries concerning the project. Property consultant resume. Summary: the goal is to work for an corporation that will grant with capabilities that will assist in the future career, time management, organization, and ride in working as a crew member. Skills: working knowledge of Salesforce, working knowledge of Zendesk, working knowledge of Magento and Freshdesk. Property consultant resume model. Description: ability to kind a minimal of 40 phrases per minute with an 80% accuracy rate. Displayed management abilities and a wish to analyze and develop with the company. Demonstrated excessive interest to element and the capacity to multitask with running systems, phone, CRM software program whilst dealing with callers' wants at the equal time. Highly labored for ethic and delight in the product and qualify of work. Enjoyed working with humans in a group surroundings, flexible, and out-of-the-box thinker who is adaptable to exchange with a developing company. Experienced with Salesforce, Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Chrome. Implemented first-class practices in income programs. Property consultant resume. Objective: a latest graduate of Heald College Clinical Assistant Diploma Program. Over 12 years of patron carrier experience, as nicely as 2 years of clinical insurance, billing experience. Skills: customer service, human resources, project management. Property consultant resume format. Description: maintained a database of client calls, their needs, and requirements. Investment and AMP, property administration abilities, completed customers trustee. Daily promoting of residential and industrial residences to conceivable clients. Conducted